See, third part, a fourth question. Yes scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then yes would have scored 50 marks. How many questions are there in the test? There are two conditions. In first condition, yes scored 40 marks when he is getting 3 marks for correct answer and losing 1 marks for wrong answer. And in second condition, Yash scored 50 marks when he is getting 4 marks is for correct answer and losing 2 marks for incorrect answer. Then he scored 50 marks. So how many questions are there in the test? So in the question, there are two types of answer, means correct answer and incorrect answer. So how many questions he has attempted? So for that we have to assume something. So in solution, let the number of correct answer be x and the number of incorrect answer be y. Is it okay? Number of correct answer be x and number of incorrect answer be y. So total questions will be number of correct answer plus number of incorrect answer, means x plus y. So by the first condition, yes scored 3 marks for correct answer. So for correct answer we assumed x. So for 3 marks, so 3x plus for 1 marks for wrong question, wrong answer. So 1 is multiplied with this incorrect answer. 1 into y means y, or minus sign is for losing marks. So 3x minus y is equal to 40. That is equation number first. By the second condition, yes scored 4 marks. 4 marks awarded for correct answer, means 4 is multiplied with this correct answer x and losing 2 marks. So for losing we have to put minus sign. So minus 2 into y. 2 marks is multiplied with this incorrect answer y. So 4x minus 2y is equal to the total marks scored by him is 50. That is equation number 2. Okay, from this equation you can take 2 as a common and it will be left 2x minus y is equal to 25. So 2x minus y is equal to 25. That is second equation. You can say from both the sides we divide by 2. So there are two equations, 1 and 2. By any algebraic method you solve it and to find the value of x and y. So by elimination method we are going to subtract equation 1 from equation number first. So first equation is 3x minus y is equal to 40. Any method you can apply, but I am applying over here by elimination method. 2x minus y is equal to 25. That is second equation. And now we subtract both the equations because we are going to eliminate y term, and y terms having negative sign in both the equations. So for same sign we have to subtract. So 3x minus 2x is equal to x and 40 minus 25 is equal to 15. Now putting the value of x is equal to 15 either in first or in second equation. So now I am putting this x is equal to 15 in second equation. Second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 25. So instead of x we substitute 2 into 15 minus y is equal to 25. Remove the bracket to multiply this 2 into 15, 30 minus y is equal to 25. Now this transpose this 30 to other sides. So what is left in next step? So minus y is equal to 25. 30 will be minus 30. Minus y is equal to 25 minus 30. It will be minus 5. Minus are cancelled from both the sides. So y is equal to 5. We have x equal to 15 and y is equal to 5. And we need to find the number of questions. How many questions yes attempted there are. So for that we have to add for correct and incorrect answer. So x plus y means 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. That's your answer.